Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm tired as hell. Alright. So yeah, the work that I do, it's a construction work. It's carpentry, right? But I myself, I'm not a carpenter. I'm trying to learn. And the people I'm working with are willing to teach me, and I'm willing to learn. So I guess I'm gonna be learning carpentry, and I'm kind of excited about it because, you know, it never hurts to learn something new. Yeah, so I'm thinking it never hurts to learn something new. So I'm kind of excited about learning this because I think it's cool. Alright? But today I'm gonna try to bring the camera today and give like a preview of the worksite. And my only problem I have with this job, really, and it's not really a problem because I'm trying to get used to it, is I'm away for like 5 days. You can call it 6, but I'm away for 5 days. That's the only problem, but it's something that I gotta adjust myself to. It's something that I gotta get used to because, again, as I've said before, I gotta get out of my comfort zone. So yeah, this is a new journey for me. I'm excited to go down this route and embark on it. Right? I'm gonna get ready for work. It's 5:30. All right. We just made it to the work site. It's big, yeah, still a lot of work left. Oh yeah, I'm about to get changed and not changed, but I'm about to put on my boots because I have on my sneakers. Put on my boots and get to it. Alright. Got my lunch. Cold, and the whole site is like snowy because I'm on the second floor. I mean, we didn't put it on the top yet, but I'm on the second floor and it's just straight ice, just straight snow. Look. So I'm gonna have to try to clean up most of it. Alright. I'm on the 3rd floor and it's just straight ice and snow. Like the layer of snow on the table is crazy. It's thick. But yeah, I'm about to try to shovel all this up. a tired man looks like. Give me that. I want a sheet rasta that's make me carry 37. Now watch him. 37 sheet with us carrying us.
You can't 37 sheet can put up 20 already for a morning. You believe that? You not even want to say nothing though.
Just no say no light. Just no say no light. Aye.
There's no say no light though.
I'm taking my 15-minute break right now. They just told me I can take my 15-minute break. It's 11:40 exactly. Aye. It's only 15 minutes. I'm not gonna sit here and talk to this camera. You understand? So I gotta eat. What I'm doing now, I gotta nail all these stuff on. Going straight down the line. I just finished one whole line. Me and my coworker finished one whole line. We gotta do the other line. They had me on the skill saw, so I have to cut the piece of plywood them. So I hold for dust. You understand? There's dust up on my face. Because I cut the plywood them. But yeah, me with my coworker right now. Break just done. We'll come up and start again, you know? Aye. 1 o'clock. We just got told it's lunchtime. I'm never hungry because we took break kind of late. We took break at like 11 to 12. But yeah, I'm about to eat some food. Aye. Done work for the day. A long day, you know. If you notice how my clothes dirty, I'll plastic bag me have put out on my foot. You understand? But yeah, it was a long day. Tired, back hurt me, but go man. All I be and go in bed. Them man I think so me I play domino with them, but I'm not playing a domino today. You understand? Aye. So that's about it. Friday, you know? Friday means that we are go up here now. So I head back to New York. Just left work. Head straight to New York.
You hear me?
I'm gonna look for my wife, you see me?
Every time I want to squeeze a vehicle drive, give him make him drive.
Aye. Yeah man, so I look for my wife. Aye, she got me forward.
Big funeral like that, you bloody gun. Set you up for the wicked and come. Can't just a soul and they get away from. Them kind of life that we get away from. From them no straight.